Hello, chocolate lovers! Welcome back to Bite-Size Lessons. Today we're exploring one of the world's favorite treats, chocolate. But have you ever wondered how it's made? Get ready to follow chocolate's journey all the way from a tropical tree to the tasty bar you love. Chocolate begins its life on a tropical tree called the cacao tree, which grows in warm, rainy places near the equator, like Africa, Central America, and South America. The cacao tree grows pods that look a bit like footballs. Inside each pod are cacao beans, which are the most important part. Each pod holds about 30 to 50 beans, and these are what chocolate is made from. When the pods are ripe, farmers cut them open and scoop out the beans and the sticky pulp inside. Next comes a super important step, fermentation. The beans are placed in boxes or covered with banana leaves for about a week. During this time, the beans start to change color and develop that rich, chocolatey flavor we all love. Without fermentation, chocolate wouldn't taste like chocolate at all. After fermentation, the beans are spread out in the sun to dry. This helps remove any leftover moisture and keeps them fresh. Once they're dry, they're packed up and sent to chocolate factories around the world. At the factory, the beans are roasted. Just like coffee beans, roasting brings out even more flavor and makes them smell amazing. Then the roasted beans are cracked open to remove the shells, leaving behind small pieces called nibs. Those little nibs are pure chocolate. The nibs are ground into a thick, smooth paste called chocolate liquor. Don't worry, there's no alcohol in it. It's just what chocolatiers call the liquid form of chocolate. This paste can then be separated into two parts: cocoa solids, which give chocolate its strong flavor, and just cocoa butter, which makes it smooth and creamy. To make sweet chocolate, sugar and milk are added to the mix. Then, it's blended and refined until it's silky and delicious. Next comes a process called conching, where the chocolate is stirred and heated for hours, sometimes even days. This helps it develop its perfect smooth texture and flavor. Then it's tempered, which means it's carefully cooled and reheated, so it stays shiny and snaps when you break it. Tempering also keeps chocolate from melting too quickly in your hands. Finally, the chocolate is poured into molds to make bars, candies, and all sorts of sweet treats. And that's it. From tropical cacao trees to the bars you find in stores, every piece of chocolate goes through an amazing journey. So next time you take a bite of chocolate, remember the hard work of farmers, roasters, and chocolatiers who helped bring it to you. Chocolate is more than just a treat. It's a science, an art, and a sweet story from nature. Thanks for watching Bite-Size Lessons. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so you can join us next time for another fun learning adventure.